I'm currently in the kitchen of this beautiful 2-bedroom stone cottage set in the heart of Barnack. We're just next to Barnack Primary School, you've got the pub, you're easy distance back into Stamford and also into Peterborough. This property also benefits from loads of original features and planning permission to extend what's already a great sized property into what could potentially be your forever home. You go and have a look around and I'll meet you in the garden where I've got something really exciting to show you. Now we found ourselves outside in this beautiful home in Barnack. So this property benefits from full planning permission for an amazing extension to come off the kitchen. So from this downpipe to about edge of this patio, coming out to about here, has got planning permission for, it's already a great sized kitchen diner, but to extend that coming across here. This whole corner of the extension is glass, so that takes in the beautiful views over the mature garden. One of the other options that the owners have considered is a possible 2-storey extension. So they haven't gone for planning permission for this yet, but we do think it would be viable to come off the property from about here, 2-storey, and turn it into a beautiful L-shaped extension. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that viewing of this beautiful stone property set in the heart of Barnack. If you'd like further information, go to eastaway.co.uk where you can see all the photos, floor plans, virtual tours of the property, and you can also book a viewing. Look forward to seeing you on another viewing soon.